with another video. We got a little car meet later today. Should be fun. Should have some nice cars there. But yeah, mango tree looking kind of good. Sheesh. Anyways, I'm kind of bummed out, y'all. Here, let me show y'all. Look what happened. Focus up, bro. So literally, I was driving, right? So what happened was, you know, it's Florida, bro. The sun be beaming. So I was like, let me just put this little sun visor down, block the sun. I guess I was a little aggressive with it. And then I go to move the sun visor, and then I get to an angle where the sun's not on this side anymore, it's in the front. So I just, all right, I'm gonna just move it and put it in the front. As soon as I go to take it from here and move it this way, boop, snaps. I'm like, oh. In my head, I'm like, no. No. Wait. Can I fix it? So I get home and I try to fix it. I'm like, so the bracket, like, it just snapped. So I ended up ordering another one, and bro, hella expensive for a sun visor. But it is OEM and it is from Audi or VW, and bro, it was $300, bro. So that kind of hurt, kind of bummed out. But anyway, it is what it is. I guess instead of just using your sun visor, just you get some dark tint in the front. But yeah, it is what it is. My dad's a mechanic, so I'm gonna let him install it for me. Now I don't have to pay labor fee instead of taking it to the dealership to get it fixed. So I'm gonna let you guys hear a little bit. Sun visor should be in like, I don't know, maybe like a week or two. But let me rev it for y'all. I can hear it. Little song. I'm gonna catch y'all when we get to the car meet. Let's go.
You're foda, né?
We made it, y'all. That's a super thick tire. Thick like I like my women.
You need to leave!
So sick. Look at the carbon fiber, bro. Oh my god. So sick. So sick. F40 right here.
3 liter, 3.5 liter V12.
Real badges, unlike Porsche. So sick, bro. Oh my god. sure gonna get one of these. Little TTRS, okay. Fast boys. Oh, F80 boys. Okay. Carbon fiber end caps, okay. Fire, fire. GTR. There's another one over there, I think. Clean. Oh, okay, okay. Fresh kicks. Nismo spec.
With that crank,
So clean, bro. Man. Sick.
no,
R32?
not at all.
RB power. So clean. So clean.
There's a Nismo cluster too.
Oh, right hand drive? Huh.
Great.
Okay. Alright. Carbon fiber wheels? I know they paid extra for that. Oh. Fire. Little T8. Huracan? I think I've seen this guy on the highway before. I was trying to race him, but you know how that went. So, 70? It's a little dirty, but okay. So clean, bro.
They're keeping it with V8, right?
Dry carbon fiber? Fire, fire, fire. I don't know nothing about bikes, but that thing's crazy. What the? God damn. Sheesh. What y'all taking, the G80 or RS5? I don't know. I'm gonna have to go with the G80, but these are clean too. Fire, fire. Where's your Tomei, sir? Oh, it's a Tomei. Okay. So here's the new M2, I guess. People said they don't like it, but I mean, it's alright. It's cool. Just throw some Street Hunter design body kit on it. It'll be good. It's clean. Oh, it's an M240. It's straight. Has a wide screen on top. It's clean. It's clean. Oh my god. I'm wet.
So good and tasty.
Fire. Okay.
Been around this town a long time.
If y'all want to drive a battery, I think this is the best one.
That's what's up.
2
I've been seeing people put the motor from this one.
Okay. That's it, y'all. Cool little turnout. And that's it for today's video, you guys. Hope you guys liked the video. Leave a comment, subscribe, man. Let me know what you guys think about the video. Starting out, you know, a little something for you guys. More content on the way, though. I'm gonna try to post at least 2 times, maybe 3 times a week. But yeah, I'm still kind of bummed about this little thing right here. Little focus, yeah, bro. It snapped off when I was trying to block the sun, man. So I gotta get that fixed. $300 for a new visor, bro. It's crazy. But good thing my dad's a mechanic and he could install it, so I don't have to pay that labor fee. You know how it is. But yeah, that's it for today's video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, y'all boys. Appreciate it. And yeah, tune in for the next one.